This is my new app, yaml-adaptor. Is a package to convert from YAML to JSON, object scripts, dynamic objects, and XML. And also convert from XML, dynamic objects, and JSON to YAML files or YAML strings or YAML objects. Okay. It's very simple to install the tool. You can use ZPM or Docker following the instructions in the Open Exchange for yaml-adaptor. You can clone the projects and see the tests class to learn how to use the library, because we have some samples in this test class. Okay, you can see the first sample here, YAML to JSON. You can debug, and from this YAML we have now this JSON, equivalent JSON. You can convert from JSON to YAML, so you have this JSON, and now I have the same content using YAML. You can convert from files, JSON file to YAML file. Very simple too. Using YAML, you have all the features available to use, and now we'll convert from JSON to YAML. JSON to YAML. I will delete past tests to see the results again. Now debug JSON to YAML, this JSON to this YAML, JSON, YAML. Okay, now you can use YAML file to JSON, YAML file, YAML, this YAML to this JSON. Okay, and now we can load dynamic objects using YAML content. This is fantastic to use in your object scripts. So we loaded this JSON file into a dynamic object and use the dynamic object here. And you can have a dynamic object and generate a YAML here. YAML from a dynamic object. Okay, YAML contents from a dynamic object, and you can use XML too. So we have this sample XML and now a YAML. This XML and the YAML. Okay, so this is a simple library, but is very powerful to process YAML content. Okay, thank you.